What's up guys, so we got some interesting tech news coming out about the Galaxy Note 10 and there possibly being a folding design version of the Galaxy Note 10, which I think is pretty interesting. So as we all know, the Galaxy Fold is actually making its way coming around April, at the end of April, and I thought it was pretty interesting that the Galaxy Fold is not shipping with a stylus or an S Pen, which is very interesting because they could be possibly saving it for this next Galaxy Note, which would make sense. So they're getting this from this patent that Samsung filed, and as you can see, it's like a dual book sort of design where you can actually see an S Pen sort of fitting in the middle. That's what the design is sort of alluding to, which I think would be pretty cool. And as you can see, it kind of reminds me of Xiaomi's foldable phone as well. So what do you guys think? I think it could make sense for Samsung to come out with a foldable Galaxy Note with the S Pen, because it actually makes sense to want to use the S Pen on a bigger display. Now obviously it should be a little bit smaller than the Samsung Galaxy Fold that's coming out, but I think it would be really interesting to see. So the Galaxy Note 10 is expected to be announced around August 8th, 2019 and go on sale around the 23rd. So the device will have a 6.66 inch display. It will have the Super AMOLED display, 1440 by 3040, pretty much the same specs as the Galaxy S10 5G. You will have probably the hole punch display, and of course the fingerprint scanner built into the display, the Snapdragon 855 processor, and along with that S Pen. So I would love to see a foldable Galaxy Note. I think it just kind of makes sense. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below, and I will catch you guys in the next one.